Hey guys, it's Friday. Time for the weekend wrap up. We picked up this little 47 Ford today. Belongs to my business partner. One of his acquisitions. He just brought it into the shop. Gonna do some minor odds and ends to it. But pretty nice car. Let's go inside here. Let's see what we got going on in here. Well, it was a little Christmas kind of day. We just got in some parts for Mike's Mustang. And just accumulating stuff. And we got it all completely disassembled. We have a mountain of parts and pieces over here. So we'll probably dive into that pretty heavy this next week. And back here we have Brian Wolf's Camaro. Last week we showed you that just before it was primed, so we got it in primer. And today he sent us over some scoops. I'm not quite sure where we're going to put them yet. They're something to evacuate the heat. We got those, and he also procured these scoops for the side, but we haven't really discussed where they're going to go. They just came in the door minutes ago, so they're going to be a little different. And we worked on Frank's car this week. Got his exhaust system completed. I'll just slide up under there and give him a peek of that exhaust. It's all stainless steel, fully welded from the collector's back. One piece has hangers with urethane bushings in it, so it should last him a good long time. It's nice and tight to the body, straight, even with the frame rail. So that's coming along pretty good. And a little shout out to John Moose, one of our members. He helped Frank out. He happened to find some parts that he had laying around for those door latches. So we appreciate that, John. We had Shelby this week come in. We had done all the body work on it and just made it a roller. The gentleman's passing it on to somebody else. So made that one roll. We had the coupe come in this week, did a little spot job on some flames. Very difficult. It was a chameleon flame job. We were able to cut in the flames and get that all blended in and looking good. And this week's call out, I guess we're going to do old Billy Norman. Come on, Bill, let's see some pictures of those beautiful Chevelles. A good, safe week, and we'll see you next week.